In this video, we are going to see how to give permission to the entire Google workbook and give permissions for particular sheets. Also, there is an option to give only access to particular ranges of the sheet. So, let's start with the video. The very first thing is to give an access of this sheet to the concerned person. So what you have to do is you have to click on the share button at the top right hand side. A pop-up window will open up showing the access given to the persons currently. So over here there is only access for me as I'm the owner of the sheet. There is an option to add people or Google groups. So over here write down the mail ID that I wish to give an access. There's a drop down option to select the which access do I want to give to this person as a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. So I'll give an access as editor. This is a dialog box showing notify people. Once the dialog box is ticked, it will send an email to the person stating that now you have an access of this particular sheet. And I'll click on send. So the access has been updated. Now there are two people having access of this sheet. Let's move on to the second part, how to protect your particular sheet or the range of cells. Click on the sheet 1 tab, that will be a right click, and select the option protect sheet. A pop up on the right side will display. So this is automatically detecting that I want to protect sheet 1 as we have clicked on sheet 1. So you can also select like sheet 1 or sheet 2 and click on set permissions. So it will ask like, do you want to show a warning when anybody edits this particular sheet? So everybody will have an access who are on the list to edit the page, but there will be a pop-up shown always that you are editing this particular sheet and like, are you aware about it? So let's check this option first, show a warning when editing this page, and done. Now let's see. For this particular cell range, I'm editing, I'm adding the data. So it is showing me a pop-up heads up, you're trying to edit part of the sheet. So once you click on OK, it will show, it is fine that okay, you want to edit this sheet and you're having an access to edit it. So now I'm again clicking on this particular same option and I'm clicking on change permissions, but I don't want this warning. Now I want that only few people can edit this particular sheet 1. So now I'm removing access of this user. I'll untick and I'll click on done. So there is a lock sign which is showing that the sheet is protected and only the selected users can edit the sheet now. In the same manner, if I want to edit this particular cell range, the permissions, so I don't want people to edit this range. I just want them to edit the data available in the field B or A. I click on button add a sheet or range. Now you have an option to select the range. It has automatically detected that on the sheet I have selected the column C. So if you want, you can change. You can select the range, remove, select the range B, click on OK, right? Select set permissions. Again, the same options, that you want people to have a warning that they're editing the data, or do you want to entirely restrict the access? So I'm removing the person and I click on done. So now your column has been protected. It will show over here that only you can edit this column. Apart from this B column, the entire sheet can be edited by the persons. So if you want to check, you can check by selecting a different column. Click, right click, click on view more column actions, select protect range. Again, it will show like set permissions. Currently, the permissions are available with the users, but if you want to restrict, you can untick and click on done. Thank you for watching the video.